Hey guys, and thank you for coming back. This is the final video. This is part 3, and this is the beautiful last bracelet that I made. And this will fit up to probably a 8.5 comfortably, all of my braces. Now these will go on my Shopify store at Sunbonkreations.stiore. These are beautiful. So I'm also making bulk pieces to sell to, different distributions also. But I think these turned out awesome. Look at the glitz on them. Now these are perfect for this time of year. And if you wanted to separate them for spring and summer, you could do it that way also. So all these pieces that I make are like add on or take off. Or you could add that in for maybe like April. But anyway, these pieces are gorgeous. Or you could just, let's try this way. Beautiful. If you didn't want to go totally bold and colorful. And they are beautiful. They are beautiful. And these are not, I'm not selling my pieces for to be too expensive, because I want to get rid of get rid of this product. And I know a lot of people are not working and they don't have the funds. So I don't think we should, well, me personally, I speak for myself, should, charge too expensive prices, for some of these pieces. But their quality, don't let the price fool you. They are beautiful quality pieces. And this is part 3. And go back and check out part 1 and part 2. And you'll see how I put the bracelets together. But I think they turned out awesome. But this is just one that I, added in there to let you know that you can layer your bracelets. So this is going to be sold in, take that piece out also, because that's for another bracelet. Be sold just like this in 3s. And you'll find these on my website. And these are dyed jade. And these are like glass beads, colored glass. And these are A1 jaspers that I got on there, some of them. The bigger ones are the good jasper, teardrop. And they just blinging. It's amazing how you could just mix different beads together to form something that's gorgeous. You don't have to shop at these big name brand stores. You can shop with local and smaller businesses like myself. I am Sunbonkreations.stiore. I'm growing my store and I'm growing my channel because I want to offer you good quality products. And I come online and I show you how I make these products. These products are made right from my home. Okay? But this is video 3. And thank you. Thank you. And I'll be coming back showing you some more of my pieces that I've put together also. Thank you guys and have a beautiful day.